Welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. We are back in town. I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys so much. I've missed YouTube so much. I've been away for a while now, but I am back and I'm going to be doing a fall look today. Like I said, I took some time out because I just wanted to come off social media a little bit and concentrate on my other work. Yeah, so I'm back now and I'm back even better. So let's get on with it, guys. We're gonna go with my eye first, and as you can tell, I've done my eyebrow already. I do not have an eye primer, so I'll use a primer which is the NYX Pore Filler Primer on my eyelid. The concealer we're going to be putting on my eyelid is this one, the LA Pro Concealer. My eye has a discoloration. It's a little bit darker than the rest of my face. We're going to start off using this shade up here. Anytime I'm cutting a crease, I always use the flat brush. It's the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and it's from Maybelline. So this is the concealer we're going to be using to cut the crease. I forgot to tell you the color. It's 05 Brightener. Now we're going to dig into my favorite palette, which is the Festival by Juvia's. I'm going to go for this color here, Abba. Again, I'm using a flat brush here to apply the eyeshadow. With the same color, so this shade here that I'll be using for the corners. We are going to blend it in. Guys, we're going to be using this color here just to blend these two together. So from the Morphe Artist palette, we're going to be putting a little bit of shimmer just to give it a little bit of life, because right now I feel like it looks a bit dull. So we're going to give it a bit of life by using this shade here. So Insta Baddie. And we're going to spread it here. So I'm going to go over with this shade here, the Wild Out. We're still trying to see the blue in there, but with a little bit of gold in there. That's it. And then we'll spread it here a bit. There. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. The liner we're going to be using is the Maybelline Precise All Day Liner. That's what we're using today and every day. So now we finished the eye. It took a while, but we finished the eye. And the primer we'll be using today is this one. I've already primed my face a little bit, but I'm going to put a little bit there as well. I like how it is. It's hydrating and at the same time. Yeah, I'm going to put more on this side. Guys, we'll be using the Estee Lauder foundation in SW1. I'll pour it directly on the brush because I don't want to put it in my hand right now. I don't want to mess up my hand right now. Get makeup everywhere. Some people put it on the back of their hand. This hair is getting on my flaming nerves. We are going to tie it. Fenty Beauty 400 Pro Filter Concealer. That's what we'll be using today. And I'm going to apply it there. It's got red undertone. I don't like that. Yeah, it's too red. Oh wow, look at that. Look at this concealer. It is so good. Look how much is covered. It's so good. I'm gonna go over. This is in Fawn, by the way. We're going to be using an eyeshadow to contour the face. So we're using Sasha Buttercup powder. That's the one I always use. Then we're going for soup. We're going to leave the powder to sit a little bit on my face, and whilst it's sitting I'm going to be putting my eyelashes on, and the eyelashes we're going to be using today is from Coco Beauty, and the packaging is actually really gorgeous, and it's called Hustler. You don't have to use this type of lashes. If it's too long for you, then you can opt out and actually use a shorter lash. Have you guys been? It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I'm so excited. I was missing YouTube way too much. And now I'm going to go over my eyelashes with this one, the Colossal Smoky Black from Maybelline. Look at these lashes. Look at this. Guys, look at this lash. It's so beautiful. Because right now I'm struggling to do anything with this long nose. So guys, the lashes are on. They are gorgeous. Now we're going to sweep the powder off. Hello Benefit powder is my favorite. We're going to put that on. Now we're going to apply that all over the rest of the face, and that will make it blend in pretty nicely. Now we're going to be doing the lower half of my eye, and I'm going to line it up with a black. So this is just a normal eye pencil, and I'm going to line it up first. And then we're going to go in with the brown shade to put on the lower. We're going to be going to my favorite bit, the highlighter. I love that. What is makeup with that highlighter? What is it? You need to glow. I'm going to glow up. This is from Revlon. It's a very old lipstick. I can't even remember the name of this lipstick. It's faded off. I love it so much because I love that shade of brown. And I'm going to apply it on the lip here. I'm not even sure why I love brown lipstick so much. Most looks that I do, I'm always using brown lipstick. I seem to think brown shade looks better on a woman, but that could be wrong. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to spray a little bit